Stacking Benjamins, it's all about the cash flow. Risking big on Wall Street where the stocks grow. Power ties in the concrete market jungle. Portfolio thick, make that money bundle. Money talks, I'm the voice with the slick vibe. Wolf howling while I'm climbing that high rise. I chase the bread, but not the crumbs is what I.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my league. Today we're going to be looking at two losing trades on the market today. Losing streak. If you don't want to see any losing trades, click off of this video. But if you want to actually see the transparency, see the losers actually happen, see somebody build up the profitability, stick around, right? So my first trade I took at 8:30. I was looking for a buy. And let's see where that landed on this chart. So I took a trade 8:30 yesterday. The reasoning behind that is because daily candle opens at 6 p.m. So I entered after the daily candle. Then I actually got stopped out at 1 a.m. You can see I was probably up for a good amount then, and then it stopped me out before taking a dive down. So yesterday I took a trade at 8, which would be on the 20 here. Entered at 17,736.3. Then I actually got stopped out at 1 a.m. at 17,719. Should probably show us 1 a.m. here. Yep. So I was up for a little bit. I was up until 1 a.m. until that sell off. That's what took me out for a loss of 457. I typically set my stop loss at like 20. So I'm not looking for a 24 loss, but I set my stop loss. But if it moves down this fast, they have to try to trigger your stop loss fast. It's gonna actually have a bigger loss than what you expect. And then in the morning, I actually entered a sell side trade, looking for it to continue to the downside. But then that's what stopped me. But the market still went down. I was able to take the trade on another account and not get stopped out. But then just this wick on the 9 o'clock candle, that's what stopped me. So I was right on the direction. Just need a little more space or a better entry. That would have. I got stopped out at 7781.8 for a loss of 22.54. You can see this is where the market actually went down by 12 midday. So I would have to have a stop loss of, what's this, around 43. So it's way bigger than my usual. I would have to set my lots by 0.04, taking the same trade. If I set my stop loss to, if I set my lots to 0.04, I would have been able to take this trade and it would have been 6R, 6 to 1R. Nice trade on the. So that's basically what happened today. You can trade it perfectly. So I'm looking to define the strategy and kind of fine tune all of that, right? And let's get into the watch list now. So getting into the watch, we're gonna be looking at Bitcoin first. Let's go. Here's Bitcoin actually went much lower. Enter the trade on a crypto platform. I actually stopped out. Didn't bother to trade it anymore. It seems like if you can't catch the move, it's draining your money. Tesla is at 154.69, so Tesla is actually trending much lower. Came right into this zone, huh? I like it. Just took a dive and right in. I'm not even certain what I actually drew out here, but it came exactly. It's trading within that. I believe IMMR is probably. Oh no, it's actually facing the sell-off. It might actually start going at 7.1. That's the lowest I've been talking price. Bitfarms is a victim of catalyst plus market beta. So it has a catalyst of it selling off, and then you have the overall market sentiment being bearish. So That's just adding pressure, but it's actually a little bit higher. But this is really a joke. This is something that you see. It pushes up before coming down. Really just getting, I believe, liquidity or just gathering people where it goes. Media actually we're at 8519, 846 AMD. I think. Ah, wow. AMD actually took very while these might sell off fast. AMD actually had an upgrade. Then it is analysts probably got interested. They got algos interested. Sold that. That was SMCI is actually holding the rest of the stocks. Very interesting. But we also have to note that we have TSM earnings yesterday. Taiwan Semiconductor, they have earnings tomorrow. Quarter move. ARM also something to watch. ARM is selling off. So I'm not sure if this is a case of market data or that has to. But back to happen. Still bearish. We're selling boys probably put it. Yeah. And happen. Similar to what I had about I actually about narrative. That's way more profitable going guaranteed. You can see all losses last 117. Just copy. Like I can take losses and I get profit for greens was